In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Thule 9031 XT Vertex Swing Away bike carrier. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. I'm going to be going over one of the first things that I purchased when I got the Jeep. That's the Thule bike carrier, the 9031 TX. What I like about this bike rack, it swings out of the way so you can open your tailgate and go inside your Jeep. If you have a Jeep or an SUV, this is a very good bike rack for that. When I have my spare tire here, I had to get a hitch extender. This is a 7-inch, so I can swing the bikes out of the way. The actual carrier extended 7 inches out. It worked perfect. You're going to use a 19mm socket to bolt in your bolt onto the hitch of the vehicle. On the other end, Thule brings a lock to secure the bike rack. Has a little protection plate as well to keep it from the weather. The bolt has a spring washer and a regular washer. Nice and locked. The way the arms swing out, I will lever here, pull up, and they swing right out, like so. And to come back in, nice and sturdy. For them to come back in, up, and she just goes right down. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bikes on the bike carrier. It's real easy. I love this bike carrier. It's so easy to use. Just slide the bike on there, set it on top, and with these straps, you're gonna strap her down. Once you tie it from the top, you can go ahead and tie it on the actual frame, like so. There you have it. She's on there. One thing I will mention, the bike rack, it's advertised for 4 bikes. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 mounts, but honestly you could only fit 2 bikes here. We fitted 3 before, and they've gotten damaged because of that. They rub against each other, so it's really enough space for 2. I don't suggest anything over 2 unless they're kids bikes. You have 2 adults and 2 kids bikes, maybe that'll work. The bike carrier brings the strap to strap the wheels in the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that now. Make sure it's nice and tight, and the slack of the strap, I just tie it to the bike. Keep it from flopping around. Like so. The bikes are nice and secure now. The way the strap works, you have this strap buckle here. You just insert it through the back and pull. Nice and tight. Then to undo, just press here on the buckle, comes right off. Easy peasy. This is what's going to separate this bike carrier from all the other bike carriers. We're going to go ahead and swing the bikes out. Check this out. I'm going to screw back here. Lift this up and she just swings. I'm gonna lock her up over here, like so. We go around. I'm doing it for the camera. Normally you stand on this side for everything, but I stood over here for the camera. Then you pin. There you have it. The bikes are swung to the side. You have to open the tailgate all the way. Complete access to your vehicle. In this case, the Jeep. As you can see, the bikes are secure. They're not going to go nowhere. I'm going to close her and open her again. See how quick this is. It's attached again to the Jeep. That pin doesn't do anything right now. It only has a purpose when the bikes are swung out. I'm going to swing her out again in real time so you can see how easy this is. There you go. Here's an overall view of the bike carrier extended. I was putting it away and I took out the strap. Figured I'd just do an overall, so you have an idea what it looks like. It's extended. There's the mechanism. This holds it right there. This pivots, and the pin holds it straight out. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand here and try to bring her in. So this is the pivot side. Here we go. Yep, we can do it. Do it, Johnny. We can do it. Okay. And up she goes. So it's that easy. One hand. So the pin doesn't really do anything here. Just put it away. Its only function is when it's extended. And here's the overview when you drive. Oh, you gotta tie this up here. There's a bolt, locks in place. One of the features of the Thule 9031 XT Vertex swing bike carrier, it has a chain in the back. It retracts. Lock it right here in the front. As you can see, I'll keep it safe. I wouldn't use this if you're gonna go have lunch or you're gonna go dine. A thief can cut through this real easily. This is when you drive and you stop at a red light or whatnot, you have some type of security. Let's go ahead and put it away. And it's secure. Just goes right back in there. Easy peasy. Just like that. We will be attending Key Beach 2021 at the end of April. We'll be there for the last 4 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We will definitely be taking this bike ride. I hope to see some of you out there. Thanks for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos. Till next time, everybody.